As an international initiative by Estee Lauder to commemorate breast cancer awareness, the company, in partnership with the City of Joburg, has lit up the iconic Nelson Mandela Bridge in pink for the month of October. This is to celebrate the survivors, to remember those who've lost to cancer, and encourage women to get checked regularly.
So in 1992, the discussion around breast cancer was really kicked off by Mrs. Evelyn Lauder. And till date, that is one of the biggest philanthropic exercises that's been done by the Estee Lauder group of companies. Since her passing, it's been carried on by Elizabeth Hurley as well as William Lauder. So it's very near and dear to the hearts of the employees on a global scale with Estee Lauder company. So since the initiation in 1992, the cumulative number that Estee Lauder companies is standing now is around about 65 million US dollars. The target for this year is another 6 million US dollars, and of course the South African team will be contributing proudly to that, towards that. So we've got two core brands in South Africa. The one is Clinique and the other one is Estee Lauder, and both of those brands comes with two beautiful individual SKUs, and the Estee Lauder brand will be donating 20 Rand on the sale of each of those SKUs in the month of October.
Joburg Today spoke to Margaret Hewson, the program director for Look Good, Feel Better, and the MMC for Health and Social Development, Dr. Mpo Palatse, to get their take on how their respective organizations are working towards breast cancer awareness in the city.
Look Good, Feel Better is a global program that supports women undergoing active cancer treatment by using cosmetics, which are very generously donated by the cosmetic industry, as tools to address appearance-related side effects. Currently in South Africa, in 40 public and private hospitals across South Africa, they receive bags of product, which they then use as tools both in the workshop and when they go home. The support that we receive from them as a company, their staff, and their generous donations just makes such a difference. In fact, I can honestly go as far as say the difference that they make is immeasurable. You know, when a woman is going through treatment, it's a very difficult time. There's a lot of uncertainty. And not only is she facing visible side effects, but also emotional and invisible side effects. And just to know that people really care at a real time of need makes such a difference.
So what we're doing is just really partnering with whoever is involved in this drive towards getting people aware, of breast cancer and its risk factors and what we can do as individuals to avoid it. We will be having a number of events. There will be an event at the city as well, at the Metro, where we will continue this awareness drive, and just also in our facilities, everywhere where we can reach our communities, as well as in our communities through our outreach programs, to say to people, remember that breast cancer is preventable and you need to do your bit if we're going to win this battle. Part of our campaign, we have lit Mandela Bridge pink. This is to remind us to do what we need to do, because breast cancer is largely a preventable disease, but early detection is key. And so the most important intervention is breast palpation. We need to put breast cancer awareness top on the health agenda to avoid the disease occurring unnecessarily in the lives of our people. We should talk about it. We should keep conversation alive. I do hope that each time somebody sees the bridge pink, they will remember to palpate themselves. I just think it's something that we need to constantly keep at the back of not just at the back of our minds, but we need to actively do what we need to do. Every 6 months, we encourage people to palpate their breasts, to check for lumps, and if you do suspect that there's anything, go to your local clinic and you can get referral to a site where you can get the necessary investigations and receive management if it is indicated.
I'm Lira Viaggi for Joburg Today.